Yo, 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 welcome to the channel. This your boy EVsmokeATX, Big Texas. Hey, welcome to the channel here. I was coming to do this video, once again, something that came across my desk, as I should say, a post I seen and it was sent to me. And it made me, feel that I should speak on it, and I feel that it's something that should be said about it, and just get, like I always say in my other videos, this is a free country. You free. You got the right to you got the right to say it. I got the right to say something back on it or address it and so on. So check out this video right here first on what made me doing this video right quick, and let's talk about it. Okay, check it out right here. Boom. All right, so that what made me, led to me doing this video. But also, before I get started here, I want to show this one guy that he said something I kind of like. I like what he has said here, so I want to show him, give him props for this comment on that post. Check this one out. All right, so yeah, I thought that was pretty cool that he said that he got some points. Same thing like I have shared before in some of my other previous videos. The reason why I chose to do a racing car. For once, I've been in racing for a long time. I always loved the hobby. Let's just say that, but I knew it was an expensive hobby. It's an expensive, It's an expensive thing. The things with that, you got things constantly breaking and things constantly happen and so on. It's a money pit, big money pit. So, that's why, like I said, over time, once again, I say this before in my other videos, that I ain't always been an EV guy myself. Of course, I had old schools and things like that. I've been there. I experienced, the muscle cars, the old schools with the big motors and engines and things like that, and so on, so on. So I've been there, So like I say, I'm only speaking from experience. So, but this why I have a passion for what I believe in and speak on, especially when it comes to, like I said, the EV. Check out my other videos about that. Get a little bit more in depth about what made me get into the EVs and the steps and things like that. But I did have this I want to share too, about dealing with this video.
Because for a lot of people, loud equals identity, not just transportation. Once you see that, the EV hate makes way more sense. Here's what's really going on: backhand index finger, with medium dark skin tone pointing down. 1. Noise equals emotion and ego. For decades, loud exhaust meant power, masculinity, dominance. Don't mess with me energy. So when an EV smokes a loud car silently, it messes with people's ego. No roar, no drama, just gone. That feels disrespectful to some folks. 2. Car culture was built on sound. Muscle cars, drag strips, burnout contests. Sound was part of the show. EVs broke the tradition. To people deep in that culture, quiet feels like cheating or soulless, even if the performance says otherwise. 3. Quiet gets mistaken for weakness. Humans are wired weird. Loud animal equals dangerous. Quiet animal equals harmless. EVs flip that instinct. A car that whispers, but does 0-60 in 2 seconds breaks people's mental wiring. 4. Change threatens status. Some people invested a lot of money and pride into cams, headers, exhaust systems. Then EVs show up and outperform them with none of that. Bashing EVs is easier than admitting the game changed. 5. They think fun must be loud. Truth? That's just one version of fun. ICE fun equals noise, vibration, drama. EV fun equals instant torque, shock, silence. Different rush. Same addiction.
For example, see, I wrote it down here. I want to make sure I don't forget it. Is it the fact that maybe, let's say, a loud car, it have to announce itself? Is that the case? I'm thinking. Think about it. So a loud car They have to announce themselves. I'm big in the room. I'm here. You know, whoop de whoop. Then to counter that versus a quiet, fast car embarrassing you before you hear it, a fast, quiet car embarrassing you before you hear it. You know what I mean? So I think that's where all that stems from, and this is where this come from. And like I said, that was from ChatGPT. I ain't making this up. It's the same thing you can ask and Google and so on. I'm not making this up, but it's just reality. Some people are gonna accept it, some not. But one thing I can say, once again, like I stated before, a lot of people, I got people that respect what I'm doing. They respect me, it may not be their thing, but they say it's different, it's dope. They respect the car. They respect what it does, they give it respect. But you got some of the ones that just ain't gonna do right, but hey, that's all good, this is America, you got the right to feel and, feel and choose and be the way you want to be. You know what I mean? But I just want to say another thing that I grew up, and I remember the OG movie American Gangster with Denzel Washington. When he said this scene, he said this in the scene. I remember now, I was coming up, I was understanding my parents, my OG, OGs from Chicago and so on, instilling this in my head. So if you remember this, check this out right quick. This is Denzel Washington from the movie American Gangster. That one thing that always stick in my head. Check it out.
Nice suit. That's a very nice suit. That's a clown suit. That's a costume with a big sign on it that says arrest me. You understand? You're too loud. You're making too much noise. Look at me. The loudest one in the room is the weakest one in the room. I told you that.
So yeah, like Denzel said, the loudest in the room is the weakest. And I feel that's why it be sometimes with some of these guys in this car game, in this cultural or car world or whatever you want to say, they got this thing against EVs. I guess they feel some way, but the loudest can always be the weakest. Hey, just because you loud don't mean you fast. Like I tell people before, and I said before, loudness don't win races. Getting from A to B win races. We're speaking on drag racing. This is what I'm talking about and concerning my drag racing. Getting from A to B first to, win it. The loudness doesn't make that doesn't win the race. And gangsters moving silent. That's always my saying. So you can take it how you want to take it, though. But I just find it funny, though. Like I said before, check out my previous video. I'm gonna leave it at the end of this video here, so check it out about the stereotype things about why they, with the some people talking about EVs are gay and all that stereotype stuff and just whatever. But like I said, I ain't always been into this. I studied, I did my research on it. I thought this is what's up, and I'm a techie guy. I'm an automotive guy. I'm a car guy. So automotive and tech together, hey, to me it's like it's the best of both worlds, But it got it has a lot of cool perks and benefits and things that, that you just can't get that from your typical ICE car. Once again, once I say by ICE car, especially with all what's going on, that means internal combustion engine. That's what that means when I say ICE, especially with all what's going on, this other stuff, But that's what that means, internal combustion engine. That's what us EV people say, when we're addressing gas vehicles. But like I said, I'm the type of person I was brought up on. What you like don't mean, I gotta like it, or vice versa, or something I see that I ain't gotta speak on, that's just how we was raised. But this generation now is totally different, I see a lot of cars and thought I don't care for, but you never just hear me talking about it unless, we are for debate or something, or, that may be the case, just cause that's, somebody like this car don't mean I gotta like it, it's just the world we live in. But hey, as long as you got people like me and my other guys, we'll speak on it and what we believe in, it is what it is. But like I said, once again, I want to say a loud car announces itself, then maybe a quiet, fast car embarrasses you before you hear it. That's why EVs get hate. Not because they quiet, but because they expose how much of car culture was about sound over. It. I ain't gotta say it. So it's just weird, man, but it don't bother me, but I just have a passion for what I have, and if you can't hear it or see it, then I don't know what to tell you, but I'm always up for debate. If you think I'm wrong or I said something wrong, hey, drop it in the comments. Let's discuss about it. We'll keep it respectful. You got your opinion, I got my opinion, but then saying all this stuff here, like as you can see it on there, then they said get that boring out of here, and once again, now I bet you I can go on a limb and say this: if these cars, when I say cars, EVs, Teslas, and whatever, if they wasn't kicking people butts like they do and just doing this thing, would it be that much hate or so much to say about this? You know what I mean? Like, just think about it, But hey, some people be honest with it, some won't. But like I said, shout out to all the ones that support me and respect what I got going on. Hey, respect back, and I appreciate that. But to the ones that don't like it, I'm gonna keep it professional. I'm not gonna say nothing or do nothing crazy, because I try to keep my channel kids friendly, what I'm saying, out of respect. I'm a respectful person, that's how we was brought up on respect, so you ain't gotta like it, you ain't gotta love it, but just respect me. I want to say too, before I go, I ain't gonna keep it long. Ask yourself, do people hate EVs because they're slow, or they hate EVs because they're quiet? So think about that. Hey, I want to say, okay, I'm sorry about that. I had to change my battery. But notes here. Let's just say now EVs pull up silent, like me, and gap loud cars without breaking a sweat. No revving, no warning, just gone. That mess with people's egos. It really do. Not all. I respect for the ones that, what I'm saying, who you are, but who the ones that it mess with your egos. This is all dedicated and talking about directly to you. The one that mess with your egos about electric vehicles out here. Because when a quiet car beats a loud one, it explains something uncomfortable. A lot of car culture wasn't about speed. It was all about sound and attention. Sound and attention. So now it makes sense now. So this is why I don't let this bother me, because I ask, things like ChatGPT and Google and just get it deep, and that's all it is about. Think about it. It's crazy. Just think about it. It messes with people's confidence, that's crazy. People say EVs have no soul. But let's be real. Instant torque, no delay, no drama. That's silence. What I mean by no drama, where I start breaking and happening and doing crazy numbers. My car do a number. Smoke over there, I'm going to show you right quick. I'm going to plug him up for the night. Can't wait till race season start with the temperature break out here in Texas. But that's not weakness, that's confidence. Loud cars announce themselves. Quick, fast, quiet cars embarrass you before you hear them. Tell me which one you rather drive. Like I said, I'm speaking from experience. I've been there, done that. But I'm just doing something different. And I respect the EVs. And I did my homework and research. And it's only going to get better. Now, I want to say this here, too. Because I got to be careful what I say. Because I can't speak on certain things because of certain non-disclosure agreements. Or, what we got working. But I seen the guy say in the comments. He said something about electric car won't, do no 6 seconds and all that. Trust me. And like I said, patience is everything for me. We want to say things, just can't wait. But, I got to be patient. But don't underestimate what's about to happen, okay? EV future is bright, especially when it comes to performance. I know and talk and been sitting down in meetings with some stuff and getting... I know, just stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? So people don't be, just stay tuned to your boy. Follow me, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. Follow your boy on this journey with my passion about this racing, which I say high voltage performance racing team, high voltage and performance, meaning, you know, it's a lot coming here. So I can't speak too much about a lot right here, but just know. So anyway, so I just want to address that. I'm not gonna keep this long-winded, but check out the other videos and let's get Smoke plugged up here after this video on the stereotypes. And, you know, if I'm saying something wrong, let's say. If I'm, you know, wrong, drop it in the comments. I'm gonna come over and get you right quick. We're gonna plug Smoke up. We're gonna keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Yeah. That's that bad boy over there, you know what I'm saying? Some love to hate. Stay tuned though, it's others coming. I can't say that. Why they hate you, Smoke? Why they hate EVs, man? You know it. But we can't wait. But anyway, plug the car up because it ain't been plugged up in a couple weeks here, you know. Keep it going. This is what we like. Don't hate. Congratulate. Shout out to the ones that do. Just that simple. Catch your boy. There, we got the green. But yeah. So I just wanted to make this little quick video here. Hope it wasn't too long. But hey, stay tuned for more. It's your boy EV Smoke. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We got more to come. Stay tuned. Can't wait till the weather break to get this race season going. It's your boy. Peace. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.